Hello everyone. Welcome to Rajeshwari's Commerce and Management Study Hub. I am Rajeshwari here. We have understood English system of recording debit and credit. Today we are going to discuss American system of recording debit and credit rule. Let us understand. Entire business is controlled by the five elements. The five elements are asset, expenses, liability, capital and income. In American system, we are using two aspect only, debit aspect, credit aspect, but based on the increase and decrease and the element and situation will be considered to record the journal entries. The rule of asset account is we are debiting the increase in asset, crediting the decrease in asset. Expenses, we are debiting the increase in expenses, crediting the decrease in expenses. Liabilities, it is opposite. We are debiting the decrease in liability and crediting increase in liability. Capital account, we are debiting decrease in capital, crediting increase in capital. And the last, income. Income, we are debiting the decrease in income, we are crediting the increase in income. This we will understand with the examples and journal entries. Asset account. Increase. How you will tell increase? Whenever the purchase takes place, that will be called as an increase in the asset. How to record this? Now, example, you purchased a furniture. Furniture is coming into the business. So, increase in the asset. Furniture account should be debited. To purchase furniture, you are paying a cash. Cash is decreasing. That should be credited. What is the entry? Purchase account data to cash account. For decrease in asset, you sold a furniture. Now, furniture whenever you are selling, that reduces the number of furnitures, right? So, decreasing. And you sold at cash. You are receiving the cash. So, cash account should be debited, increases, cash will be increased, so cash account debited and furniture account credited. Expenses account, increase in expenses, whenever you are paying rent or commission, interest, that all increase in the expense. Increase in the expense should be debited. Rent account, in case you are paying a rent account should be debited. How you are paying the rent? Through cash you are paying the rent. Cash is asset. So cash, whenever you pay rent, cash will be reduced. So increase, it is increase or decrease? Decrease in the cash. So decrease in the cash should be credited. Rent account data to cash account. In case of decrease in the expenses, decrease in the expenses means now refund. Rent you paid, the whatever amount rent you have paid, they refunded. They said it is not 5,000, suppose 10,000 was the rent, you paid 10,000, they said no, it is not 10,000, it is 8,000, 2,000, they refunded you. So the refund whatever you have received increases the cash. So cash account should be debited. The rule of asset applies here. And decreases in the expense. Instead of 10,000, it became 8,000, reduced. So that should be credited to rent account. Liability. Increase in the liability. You purchased goods on credit basis. So you purchase account. When you purchase any goods or asset, increase in the asset, you have debited, and because of that the creditor has been created. So the concerned creditor should be credited. Okay. And decrease in the liability, you repaid the amount. You purchased on credit, no? For the creditor you have paid the amount, so that should be debited because the account is going to close. You have credited at the time of purchase, you are debiting while you are repaying. Now cash got reduced, cash account should be credited. Capital account, increase in capital, you brought a capital, owner introduced new capital. So capital is coming in the form of cash, right? So cash account, cash is increasing. So cash account should be debited. And increase in the capital, capital is also increasing. So capital account should be credited. Decrease in capital, you have used for personal purpose, drawing, that reduces the cash. So drawings account should be debited. And drawings you are utilizing, you have withdrawn the cash for personal purpose. So what is the entry? Drawings account you are debiting, because that decreases the capital, and cash is also decreases because you withdrawn it for personal purpose. So cash account you are crediting. Drawings account data to cash account. Now income, increase in the income. Whenever you received any income, it can be commission, interest, or rent. It can be in any of these forms, right? Other forms also. Now, whenever you received a commission, cash is increasing, right? Asset rule, debit cash account, because increase in the asset, and increase in the income should be credited. The concerned income account should be credited. Cash account data to commission received account. Now, the commission whatever you have received, you have refunded. Then it decreases the income. So, decrease in the income should be debited. The concerned commission account, commission received account should be debited. It is also decreasing the cash. So, you are crediting the cash account. What is the rule of asset account? Decrease in the asset should be credited. So you are crediting the cash account. When it comes to asset account, increase should be debited, decrease should be credited. Expenses, increase you are debiting, decrease you are crediting. Liabilities, increase you are crediting, decrease you are debiting. Capital, increase you are crediting, decrease you are debiting. Income, increase you are crediting, decrease you are debiting. If you observe, the rule is same for asset and expenses, and liabilities, capital and income, the rule is same. So understand and apply. Conceptually, when you are clear, you will never make mistakes. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. I hope all of you understood. If you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section. Thank you.